See, that's the problem. You don't care about getting hurt. But you know how I'll feel? I'll be devastated. And if you die, I will literally go out of my freaking mind.
Maya, why do you make fun of me?
Because you're easy to make fun of.
Okay, then stop.
Because you're a huckleberry. Because you're a ranger.
Would you
rich.
stop?
Look, if I had feelings for you, don't you think I'd just come right out and say it? Well, I don't. So what I do say is, ha ha.